Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Cody. The guy you see on screen is Eli, and today we collected a ton of cash from our vending machine business, including an awesome collection with our good friend Aaron, aka Claw Kicker. We're super excited for this video, and first up we are at one of our Mexican restaurants where our crane is looking low on toys. Go ahead and fix that problem. Eli will unlock the machine and let's go ahead and see what's inside. Go ahead and start with the quarters per usual. We're looking pretty good. Go ahead and dump that in the scale and see what we got going on. Boom, guys, 87.50 just in quarters, looking pretty good so far. Pretty good stuff there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the DBA. And oh my god, you are looking at $339. That is a total of $426.50 for this claw machine. We love it. It takes him several tries. And there we go. Got it all out. Take a look. It's the sexy shot. All right, let's go ahead and just pile that up right on top there. And move on to our next location, which is a grocery store break room. It's actually just me today for my first solo candy machine collection, which should be a riot. Looking pretty low too. This is a pretty good spot. Pretty quiet. It seems like every time I go here, I'm in there by myself. As you can see, I missed some Skittles, which is just awesome. Picked all those up when I was done. I pre-opened all of them just so I could do this all in one shot and not have to worry about peeling the tops off and everything. And then the gumball was an absolute wreck. I ended up having to put the camera down. And yeah, just look at that. That's awful. That's all bad. But there we go. It looks good. Go ahead and put that top back on and locked. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. I think I did all right. Nobody saw me fumble anything, so we're all good. Go ahead and turn it around and take a look at what it did. And, you know, it did pretty good. It usually does a little bit more than this, but we are looking at $41.50 for the month, which is absolutely awesome. That all looks great, but next up we have our bulk collection at our local car wash that always does very well. Got it nice and full because it was very, very empty. Let's go ahead and turn it around, and we are looking really good here considering it's been cold out, and it's $63 flat for 1 month. Very, very good. And next up, guys, we have our huge flea market location with none other than Aaron himself, Claw Kicker in the flesh. Aaron came through our neck of the woods with his buddy Blake to pick up some plush and was able to stop by and help us collect from our machines because, you know, he gets real tired of having to do it all himself. And who other better to help than the man who started Arcade Collection videos? And he'll go ahead and dump that in, looking good. $274.50, which is incredible as always. Our pirate chest crane looking oh so thin. Go ahead and take a look at those quarters. Looking fat. Incredible. Let's go ahead and see what we got in there, Aaron, if you do not mind. $85.50 for 10 days. Just an absolute winner. Last up, we have our candy claw machine, which actually does really well too, considering that it's just all candy. See what we got here. And of course, no dollars. They just love using the change machine. And it's looking all right, like I said, considering it's candy and everything, not too shabby at all. Give me that money shot. Let's go ahead and dump her inside, and $40.75 just in 10 days. Absolutely crazy. That's a total of $400.75 just for 10 days, folks. We love it. Thank you again, Aaron, for the clutch assistance there. We do really appreciate it. We are on to our next location, which is our popular Mexican restaurant where we have 2 matching claw machines. Go ahead and see what it did in quarters. Looking all right, not too shabby at all. Go ahead and dump it in on our scale here, and we're looking at 58.25 in quarters. Take a look at the dollars, not too shabby. We're looking at $86 in cash, for a total of $144.25. The second crane, let's go ahead and open her up, see what we have going on inside. And go ahead and look at those quarters, see what we have. Alright, looking a little bit heftier, a little on the hefty side. Dump it in, and what do we have here? $67 flat. Excellent. Take a look, and it is fat. We're looking at $177 in cash for a total of $244 for the month from that crane. And lastly, guys, thank you all so much. We finally reached our goal of 100,000 subscribers. It's been an incredible journey these past 3 years, and we've made many new friends along the way. We can't wait to keep producing more content for you, including these longer videos and more short video tips that we've been doing lately. Again, thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
A few moments later.